This is our AUKTools router bit foam tray. This will hold 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch and also 8mm cutters, nice and firm. With the boxes cutters come with it can be very easy to slip and cut yourself. These, although they grip nice and firm, they're very easy to pull in and out. It'll hold up to 110 of your cutters. Either just leave it as it is, but it will get quite dusty. Otherwise, I've cut mine down a little bit in size wise, dropped it inside a box, and I know that set of cutters can be kept in really good condition then. To buy any of our AUKTools, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and look at us on our social media channels.